Welcome back to my channel. So for today I have a vlog. I am here at Newport Beach with Ian. Hi. And we are just coming back from whale watching, as you would see in the video. I actually kind of did this a little backwards because I didn't expect to vlog today. So enjoy, and you'll follow me around Newport for my birthday, and also hopefully South Coast Plaza if Ian wants to. So yeah, let's keep on watching. Done shopping. We already did our Newport whale watching, and then we came to South Coast Plaza to get my last birthday gift. So I got something from Chanel, so I will be sharing it with you guys either in this vlog or in another video. But yeah, we are done. We are done for the day. It was like a birthday celebration, since we didn't really do anything for my birthday because I actually had to work on my birthday. So yeah, we went to Newport. We went to eat at Blue Water. What was it called? Blue Water Grill. It was so good. The lobster roll was good, pretty good. I actually wanted another one, but we didn't get another one. We both wanted more, but yeah. And then we went to South Coast Plaza to check out a card holder. So if you guys know what I'm talking about, if you guys see one of my videos, my 2023 wish list video, then you would know what I'm talking about. But let me know down below if you guys think I got my card holder or if I got something else. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini vlog. I don't really vlog as much as I used to, but it was fun vlogging these moments because it was something that Ian and I haven't done in a long time. So hey guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.